Jatinga village is surrounded by hills on all sides with beautiful weather and scenic forest. The people who lives on this beautiful land mainly consists of Kasi tribe, around 400 families. A church standing tall in the middle of this village is also a delighted sight to behold. After visiting church, we decided to ride around the village corner and found ourselves grasped in beautiful moments with breathtaking views. But the journey to this paradise is a bumpy ride as the roads are small and bad. Even still, it's worth to try a ride cause the reward is much more greater. Those scenic beauty of this land is precious and you can find something sensational and peace of mind right here. So, I recommend you guys to check out Jatinga, which is one of the best tourist spot in Assam. Another great thing is that you can visit Jatinga in all seasons. Thanks for your time.